'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love.
Punta kami ngayon guys sa barbershop. Pagupit ang mga boys. Monkey, oh, monkey.
Si monkey.
Say hello, Shan. Welcome to Mommy's channel. Pagupit ang mga boys na mahaba ng Hi Shan, are you ready now? Pa-haircut ka?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
How many months that you did not go out?
Probably like when COVID-19 started.
Really?
Mm.
No. We did go out. Maybe 2 times. We went to the barber shop. And now we're going to the barber shop. How about you, Jiki? Where's Jiki? Ayan si Jiki, nakahiga. Ikaw, Kel, kailan yung huli mong labas? Nung Saturday?
Also,
Ha?
Jakey spilled milk in my pants.
Anna, it's okay. It's just a milk.
Pants.
There's Jiki,
I
nagdidede.
didn't get that much sleep.
Oh, you put your face mask, over your nose. That. Oh, not that, come on. Why are you putting it in your eye? Okay, can you say something to my channel?
Subscribe to Melanie Tingson's vlog.
Who is Melanie Tingson's vlog?
Yo,
Who am I? Who am I?
Melanie,
I am your
mother.
mother. This is my son. How old are you, Shan?
7, almost 8.
Almost 8. When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
November 11.
Yes. It's almost your birthday.
Yes.
Okay.
Why do we need this?
Lights.
So that if it's nighttime. So
Ng barbershop. Yan. Pa-haircut ka, Jakey? Pag-iiyak ha? Yan si Kuya. Jiki muna. Baby shy. Bakit sad? Doon ka muna.
Sige, okay lang yan. Wanna watch?
Okay. Aba, ang daming supporter ni Jiki ah.
Also has the
Parang ayaw na ako.
Coco Melon. Alam mo, Lord, style niyan, Lord, kakandungin mo yung mamaya pag si Sean dati. Kinakandong.
Coco Melon merchandise.
Good luck.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Ayan na.
Nalalagyan ng
Oh, yan mo lang. Diretso na lang gupit.
ano eh.
Okay, 1, 2, oh my God. 3, 4.
Mamaya na kayo siya.
Sige, mamaya na lang si Sean muna. Hi, Sean. Gupit ka? Haircut? Parang tagal na. Ako lang nagugupit yan. Tignan mo, hindi pantay-pantay.
Kaya na, mawawasan.
Oo, meron din akong pang ganyan kasi. Kaya,
I'm wearing the same shoes.
pero gusto ko sa kanya, yung parang may ano, yung may parang dito guhit.
Sige.
Yung parang Justin Bieber.
Dito.
Oo, dyan. Yeah!
Vicky. Don't shout. Don't shout. I can see myself.
Yeah.
I see 1, 2, 3,
Be?
4.
Hulaglag ka.
Vicky.
Huwag ka maingay.
Be the same as me.
Oh, look at kuya, oh. Kuya, oh. Iksian na lang talaga kasi. Kailan kaya susunod? So, bagay, pwede naman nang lumabas, di ba? Magpa-barber. Jiki, next ka na, ha? Ha? Parang si Kuya Michael ang buhok, oh. Parang ano, parang bunot na. Sa haba.
Tingnan mo si Kuya B, oh. Tahimik lang, oh.
Very good ang kuya. Huwag ka likot, kuya, ha? Oh, ikaw din ha, ganyan din ha, behave lang ha. O, tinan mo si Kuya Sean. O. Ang last ko na vlog dito, parang matagal na. Yung 7 pa ba si? Isang taon na. Yan, good boy si Sean. Kumusta naman yung ano, yung kita ngayong pandemic?
Mahina pa rin.
Mahina pa din?
Pero may time na kulong.
Ah, okay. Pero araw-araw naman meron. Ah, okay. Kasi yung ibang lugar nagsara. Pero nung nag-close, di ba? Nag-close din kayo.
Like, sa kanya. Yung ano, ACQ.
Hmm.
Wala.
Bow your head. Hindi kasi makaintindi ng Tagalog.
Mayroon parang tatlo pa. Tatlo pa.
Medyo matagal pa yung baby.
Tagal pa yan.
Vicky. You better behave.
It's okay.
I'm done.
Dito kami ngayon guys kay Mitoy Barbershop. Oh, ano ba? Tama ba? Mitoy?
Barbero po.
Dito kami sa Barbero. Sa Barbero. Oh, yan. Suzuki ni Shan. No? Yan, clean cut na si Shan.
Sige na, para mabawasan yung mukha.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yan, clean cut na si Kuya.
Bago na ni Sean. Okay na ganyan.
Hi, Shan! Ayan, tapos na siya. Kaya I wanna take a look in your hair. Yan. Be? Pose. Pose, pose, pose. Kaya yan. Hello, Jiki! Oh my gosh. Struggling.
Subscribe to my mommy's channel. Hi everyone.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think